This shared commitment to civil engineering continues to leave a lasting legacy on this campus and on the lives of our future students. Each student's circumstance is different, and through scholarship support, students are able to benefit and succeed in many different facets of their Purdue experience. Whether it be internships, additional workload, or extracurricular activities, scholarship support can allow students to participate in impactful, often life-changing experiences during their time here at Purdue University. The civil engineering family is one that builds together, and you're all a part of a community which supports student success, achievement, and growth. To our friends and alumni who have made these scholarships possible, we say thank you.
One thing I wouldn't have been able to do without scholarship support would have been my internship last summer. I was living in downtown Chicago, so it was kind of very expensive. And so I wouldn't have been able to get any of that professional experience if I hadn't been able to be financially supported.
Being able to do research and learn a lot from a professor and interact on a daily basis with him and with grad students has kind of helped influence me to also do grad school and to want to keep pursuing research in my future.
Scholarships from Purdue have been very meaningful. They have been very important to me being able to go to Purdue to begin with, and especially with the pandemic, my dad was out of work for a while. He works primarily within the convention industry, which had stopped due to COVID, and knowing that I had those scholarships and financial support to be able to support my education when the money was not there within my family made the stress of all of COVID in that entire time period much easier and let me know that I could finish my education.
I'm very humbled to be part of the Charles Ellis legacy. Getting this scholarship and knowing that all Charles Ellis has done with the Golden Gate Bridge, and to know that I'm part of that legacy in a way is very honoring, and it inspires me to continue reaching for my dreams of designing a large structure like the Golden Gate Bridge.
Through scholarship support, I've been able to really focus on my academics. One example that I really cherish is my junior year. I was in a structural steel design class, and because of my exam score on the first exam, my professor actually nominated me for the Indiana Fabricators Association scholarship, which I did win. And through that scholarship, I was also able to visit their fabrication shop because it was in Fort Wayne, where I'm from. And that was just a great experience as a structures concentration, to be able to see a fabrication shop, walk through it, and ask a professional a lot of questions that I was just thinking of.
I would tell my donors if I was at a table with them right now, I love you. And thank you a million times over, because without your generosity and kindness of strangers, you didn't know me and you saw how hard I was working, but you wanted to help me, and you've allowed my dreams to become a reality. And I haven't had to worry about things that I would have had to worry about without your help. So I'll never forget your kindness, and you've positively impacted my life far beyond you'll ever know.
To each of the donors here today, I want to say a personal thank you. Thank you for choosing to invest in our Purdue education that will help us all leave a positive impact on the world and also pay it forward in the future.
But it's not uncommon when they say, well, where'd you go to school? And they say Purdue, and they say, oh, Purdue. I mean, it's a recognized engineering school, and you can be proud of it, and we're proud of it. And that, I guess, getting back to the question at hand, was part of how you make your decisions. How, as a donor, do you decide what you want to do? You want to make a difference? You're going to go to the top. You're going to go to the excellent organizations. And so, proud to be a part of it.
Purdue for Life really has three significant tenets. It's stay connected, it's get involved, and it's give back. And everyone in this room, in some level or another, has adopted those principles as their own. We're grateful that you've stayed connected. We are grateful that you've chosen to get involved. And we're absolutely incredibly appreciative of your decision to fund scholarships for students and contribute to the future opportunities of this generation of Boilermaker students.